The concept of the Cosmic Trinity is the backbone to all Chinese metaphysics systems. Now, Cosmic Trinity, of course, is an important concept when it comes to Feng Shui. The thing is, with most Feng Shui books, they talk about heaven, earth, man, and heaven matters represent things that are beyond one's control, and earth matters is the environment, and man matters, they talk about one's destiny and or actions. Now, in reality, how do we actually explain this in layman's terminology so that you can actually understand how it actually affects our lives? Because if you look at almost all the books on Feng Shui and astrology, they do say that Cosmic Trinity is the one that determines one's success factors in life. Right? So how do we actually see this in a way that we could understand and we could control? Here's how you do it. See, when we talk about heaven, earth, man, we are essentially talking about the three most important factors that determine success. Number one, we talk about knowledge. That's the heavenly factors. Okay. Is it truly beyond one's control? Some people think it's beyond one's control, but for some, it can be within your control if you understand how to get it in the first place. The first part is knowledge. What type of knowledge? Knowledge is divided to yin and yang. The first type of knowledge is your job-specific or career-specific or business-specific knowledge, right? For example, we are in metaphysics, especially in Feng Shui, then I need to know everything about Feng Shui. Being technically savvy, knowing exactly what to do. If you're a civil engineer, you need to have technical knowledge in civil engineering. If you're an accountant, you need to have technical knowledge relating to finance and accounting, of course. So you got to have that specific knowledge related to your field, and you got to be great at it. If you just have mediocre knowledge in whatever field that you're doing, you probably won't get to become the best in your field. Now, how do you actually get to the highest level? Some people say it's destiny. It's not, right? Heavenly factors, although people think that it's beyond their control, but actually it's not. If you understand your destiny and understand your talents and your nature, and you pick up the subject and study the expertise relating to something that's part of your nature, and you train yourself to become good at it, you can acquire that expert skills. Okay, that's the first part of knowledge. The second part of knowledge is related to business itself. Now, just because you're good at accounting or civil engineering or architecture doesn't guarantee success in life. You also need to understand how business works and or how to lead and build a business. There's knowledge surrounding your work, your environment, and or your industry. Okay, for example, knowledge relating to leading people, managing people, networking with people, knowledge about building contacts, knowledge about how you could market something, promote something, for example. Now, everyone has different affinity to acquiring this type of knowledge. They just need to be in the right environment, being the right people, then they can be exposed to this type of knowledge. That's called awakening to this type of experience and knowledge that you need in mastering this field. So this is heavenly matters. It deals with knowledge, know-hows, okay? Some people think it's beyond their control, but I think if you position yourself in the right environment with the right people or with the right type of experience, you could actually awaken this knowledge, okay? These heavenly factors. The second factor is earth. Heaven, earth, and man. Second factor is earth. Now, when it comes to earth, it's the environment. When you translate this to layman's term, it refers to the right platform, the right place, okay? The right environment or the right vehicle. In order for us to succeed in life, we could be really talented in something. We're really talented in singing, we're really talented in finance, but being at the wrong environment, being with the wrong opportunities, okay, the wrong platform will not allow us to excel. So Feng Shui has a lot to do with positioning oneself with the right vehicle, or at least enhancing that vehicle or putting you in the right platform to succeed. If you have talent but no platform, no environment, no audience to support you, you will not be able to succeed in life. Okay, so that's the second factor. And the third factor, the man factor or the human factor, relates to you. We need to be a success in order to take success to whatever we are doing. It's not the other way around. We keep thinking that we just need to be in the right business or the right industry and everything will just work out fine. That is the wrong concept, guys. It's not about being in the right career. The career doesn't bring us success. We bring success to the career. We bring success to the business. So the question here is, are you the right you? That's what man luck is about. That's what the human factor is about. We need to maximize our talent. We need to be able to awaken all our gifts, our abilities, and become a better human being in order to be able to serve and bring value to other people, bring value to the organization that they're working with or working for. We become a success, and success will be in everything that we do. This is the true version of heaven, earth, man. Now, this is also the same concept when we are applying this in a Feng Shui perspective, when we want to adjust our platform, our environment, because our home is our environment. If the environment supports our endeavors, supports our goals in life, it helps us to acquire the right knowledge and help us become a better human being. That's how we become successful. That's how Feng Shui works for you. Now, if you want to learn more about this concept, the Cosmic Trinity, and how you can apply into your life, watch the free 4-part training videos that I prepared for you following this link that you see on the link above and below the comment section or on your screen right now. Now, there's also a private discussion group where all like-minded individuals just like yourself is in right now. Me and my team are there and we can comment and help you with your Feng Shui related questions. So join us there.